Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is our beginning of the week video, the week being week 3 for our course. And what I want to talk about in this video is a little bit of contextual information for the class, particularly for the upcoming assignments 5 and 6, which we will be completing by Friday of this week. One of the really obvious trends in the course at this point is the trend that says, or at least suggests, that people who are engaging with these videos are doing perhaps better in the course than those who are not. Okay, so for example, in the last two recent assignments, 3 and 4, there were a lot of people who submitted assignments 3 and 4 with no demonstrated awareness of the need to cite in each and every paragraph, no demonstrated awareness of the need to write with multiple paragraphs, not writing with an awareness that a paragraph is going to be about 6 to 8 sentences, roughly speaking, or at least, at the very least, presents and develops a single idea. These concepts are, of course, very important to the class. They're very important to the basic academic values we are learning about in this class and are called upon to demonstrate in our writing. So it's really important that you watch these videos. Unfortunately, the people who are not inclined to watch this video are not inclined to get this information. So that's a problem. But hopefully that can be changed through some modifications to personal behavior and your approach to the course and things like that. Okay, that will remain very significant as we get into this week and think about grading the work associated with steps 5 and step 6. We've previously talked a little bit about how to approach quizzes in this class, and that's certainly relevant for step 5. The idea being that the reading should be done slowly, carefully, and with careful annotations, both annotating what stands out to you as significant and then also taking the time to write questions and comments in the margins of the writing or in the notebook you're associating with your copy of the textbook before you begin to take the quiz. This is because there are specific answers to all of the questions that are asked in the quiz that can be found, usually written right out in the textbook. And so if we're not engaged very deeply or very seriously with the textbook, it becomes, essentially impossible to take the quiz. I'm also seeing a few people trying to rush ahead in the course and do a bunch of quizzes very early on and very quickly. That's a dramatic mistake. You want to go slowly through the class. You want to absorb the information assignment by assignment so that you can see how the information in one assignment relates to the next before you take on future quizzes or future things like that. So do keep that in mind as we continue on throughout the course. Now, unfortunately, I have no way to guarantee that everyone is watching this video. My hope is that everybody is still watching this video at this point. But as we think about our writing diagnostic revision, these concepts of well-developed paragraphs, these concepts of citing from the text, with a quote or a paraphrase that is cited, that is, you're including the page reference to the information, that is crucial to the revision. Okay, so I should be seeing submissions that have very well-developed paragraphs, and I should be seeing submissions that have something cited from the reading in each and every paragraph. That's crucial to the assignment. So you want to keep that in mind, okay, as you get into the revision for step 6. Now, if anybody wants to discuss the movement from step 4 to step 6, that is how, or step, the last version of our writing diagnostic, to step 6, I'm very happy to talk about that with you. So please do let me know, and we can sit down well ahead of time, to go over the work. It's not very helpful. Sometimes people email me like an hour before the homework is due. I'm simply not available. Okay, so if you can give me a day or two, give me a heads up that you want to talk, we can almost certainly make that happen. But so that's kind of what I'm looking for here as we get into this week and as we get into the assignment associated with this week. Please let me know if there are questions, comments, concerns, or other matters coming up that I need to be made aware of. As I've said from the very beginning, I am here to help you, and that is my goal. So please let me know how I can help you, and we can touch base about the assignments and talk about how to best approach them and best complete the work successfully. All right, have a really good beginning of the week. You'll get another video from me near the end of the week. And in the meantime, if any questions come up about the assignments, please let me know. Bye.